Calgary police are still searching for a bullet after a gun was unintentionally fired yesterday from a district office. At about 10:45 a.m., officers fired one round from their service-issued pistol inside of the District 2 office, so that's located on 17th Ave Southwest. The bullet traveled outside of the building through a second-story window towards the office parking lot and the community of Glendale. No one was injured and there's no property damage. The bullet hasn't yet been found and the investigation continues.